How to get the best Exitlags discount promo codes. Now, the very first thing that you want to do before you head over directly to Exitlag and purchase any subscriptions or plan on their platform is just pull up any preferred web browser that you can use on your end. Now, in your browser, just head directly to the search bar and we will be visiting the specific site that's going to be called couponbirds.com. This website is providing us for free discount promo codes on a specific percentage that they are giving us out for free. So once you're here, just head directly to their search bar and just simply type in exit lagged and directly on click on the very first result. Now you will automatically be redirected to the Google Chrome search results and just simply choose on the very first option right there. So if you click on that, you will be given out multiple percentage of discounts that you can use. So before you go back to the main page on Exitlag, just choose on your preferred discount for you to be able to get or have a vision of the unique code. Then simply click on get code, copy it, and paste it to Exitlag. And that's how you find the best discount promo codes working on Exitlag.